How to make profitable business by becoming an OnlyFans agency. Today, we're going to talk about what it is and how OnlyFans agencies help models earn money and make their life there less competitive. In general, model agency is not such a new phenomenon. Agencies work with models and celebrities, and whenever you have a crowd of fans, you need an assistant. We already have a video about this on our channel and talked about the difficulties that models face. Check the link above to learn more about their difficulties, about the agencies in general, and how they help models deal with all this. And if you feel uninterested, I guess you already know enough about agencies and their role in models' life. So we can move forward to the topic of this video. The very first goal of the agency is to find models. I have to say it's not that hard. You can search for them in social networks like Instagram or TikTok, dating sites like Tinder, Badoo, and so on, and streaming apps like Bigo Live and Me.me. Another way is to search for models on OnlyFans, and here's a useful resource. So on this site, you can find models to work with, and it will be also very useful for collaborations. The next step is to talk to the members, and there are different services for this. For example, this service will allow your models, or how they call their chatters, to be able to sell content through messages. When managing multiple browser profiles, you need browser management software. This allows you to run hundreds of unique browsers simultaneously with unique IP addresses and device identities to avoid bans and restrictions. To do this, there are services such as GoLogin, Multilogin, AdsPower, and Lelycat. You can try them and choose what's used to most. To attract new customers, you need to get them from all possible places. And to save time to work with your audience, you can use the services of delayed publication. Otherwise, it will be not enough time for everything. There are quite a few such services. The ones I can recommend are Hootsuite and Zoho Social. They have a free trial, so you can try them yourself. Keep in mind that you need social networks to attract attention, so that the client goes to the model's profile and then from there, they go to the model's account on OnlyFans. Take into account that it is better not to put a direct link to OnlyFans on Instagram, otherwise you can be blocked there. But if you publish an intermediate link like Linktree, it's perfectly safe. There is another service that will be useful both for agencies and models. Sometimes customers simply forget about their subscription and do not renew it. Sometimes they don't get enough attention, but there are many reasons why the client stops paying. And that's why it's just enough to talk with the client and they will renew their subscription over and over again. Here's a cool service that will help you find those who have unsubscribed. The last but not least helpful link for today is this one. It's an excellent community service for creators who have collected a lot of useful services. Despite the fact it's not specialized for agencies, some of them are useful if you set up a new account and find a way to attract a new audience. Alright, we're done with the services for today. At least if you are ready to start, it's an enough set to work on. Remember to always look for room for improvement and your business will grow fast. This is a unique opportunity because customers are willing to pay sometimes huge amounts for content that is done easily. And it doesn't have to be adult content. Once there is mystery and secrets hidden behind, your content is interesting and intriguing. The important fact is that the agency does not take part of the profits of model. First of all, you need to take it as a partnership. And the agency helps the models solve their problems and challenges related to communication, publishing content, attracting customers, increasing sales, so on and so forth. For these, agencies get a percentage of sales. And usually, the percentage of profit is divided in half. 50% goes to the agency, and 50% goes to the model. The significant thing for a model is that working with an agency, the model's revenue grows by more than double. It can be tens or even hundreds of times, and it's not at all pity to share half when the revenue increases by multiple times. At the same time, Virtually, a good agency takes care of the entire routine. The model actually lives her own life and enjoys financial freedom, and the agency, as a producer, is engaged in work unnoticeably and without disturbing anyone's life. Finally, I want to say that OnlyFans agency business is not complicated as it may seem at all. In today's video, we try to focus on the main aspects of how to attract models, how to attract clients, what to sell, and how to sell. And when you learn all these how-tos, you're welcome to come to us at Scrile, as we have a great offer for agencies. With us, you can earn fast money now, create your website for your agency, and sell the content of your models there. Imagine you get all these opportunities. The entire customer base is available in the admin panel. All content is available in your storage, and you, not OnlyFans, own the rights to this content. Your models are using your service, and this is your brand that can grow. And finally, the money you spend on the Scrile platform is money expressed in the capitalization of your company. If necessary, you can sell it or, on the contrary, develop it into a major competitor on the market. And the market of creators still has a huge potential. If you're already managing models or creators and want to create your own platform, then we will be happy to help you grow your business and make your dreams come true. The first step is just to check our website, scrile.com, and contact our managers. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are many other videos waiting for you to watch. Bye!